In this video, we show you how to change your TV channel lineup. Changing your TV package, adding a group of channels or individual channels can be done on your mobile device through the MyBell app or on your home computer at bell.ca. Using the MyBell app, log in to your MyBell account. Select your TV service and tap Modify My Channels. You will then be presented with a list of categories, including our 4 TV packages, groups of specialty channels, and a list of all individual channels to browse through. Simply select what you are looking for and tap Review Changes. You will then be shown your current lineup with your current monthly charge and your new lineup with your new monthly charge, so you have a clear understanding of what you are ordering and what you are paying. If you are satisfied with your selections, tap Accept Terms and Submit, and within 30 minutes, your new channels will become available on all your Bell TV platforms. On your home computer, the process is the same. Log in, click Modify TV Channels, select your preferences, click Review Changes, then click Accept Terms and Submit. And that's it. With Bell, it's that easy. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or connect with our community forum at bell.ca/forum.